Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching. Let's this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you. Today we will briefly discuss about inside the superstar Nicole Narko. Nicole Narko is a model, Instagram star, and social media personality. She is best known as the best film actress. She is approx 29 years old now. She has been sharing the latest videos or photos on social media accounts. She has more followers on her Instagram. If you are interested in knowing more about Nicole Narko, then you need to read this blog to the end of the page, and you will get all information about Nicole Narko, just her family details, her life partner's name and more. Nicole Narko was born on 8 April 1992 in the United States. She has American nationality. By profession, she is best known as a social media star and actress, model. She completes her high school and college details are not available. She has more followers on her Instagram. If you know the Nicole Narko wiki, then keep in touch with this article. If we are talking about her net worth income, according to social media reports, Nicole Narko net worth income is $400K. If you want more details about Nicole Narko wiki, then keep reading this article. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.